The first step is the registration of school through the Inclusive Schools platform. As a user, you should go to the main menu and select the Account tab, and from there, you can select Register. Then, you should provide the appropriate details the form asks and set up a username and a password. It is important to note that you need to accept the privacy policy before clicking on Register button and complete your registration request. After this, the registration request will be processed by the admin, and when the admin approves it, you will be notified by email. After the email confirmation, you can log in using the credentials you provided during registration. After a successful login, you can navigate to the dashboard where you can find some options. First of all, there is the school directory where you can find a list with all registered schools. There is also an option to view school practices and an option to add a school practice for your own school. The last option is to add an event, which allows you to add an event on the website's calendar. Now, let's see the options one by one. Let's start with school directory. Here you can see all the schools that participate on this platform. From this page, you can search a school by its name, type, or level of education. You can also click on one of the schools that you are interested in and see more information about that specific school, its school practices, and you can also contact them. Next, we have the school practices. Here, you can see the school practices from all the schools, and you can filter by some tags that you are interested in. You can also click on the practice that you are more interested in and read more information, add a review, or write a comment. You can also add a school practice. To register a school practice, you simply provide the necessary data to the fields like title, responsible person, number of students, the age range of the students, name of the practice, etc. You can also add some tags to be easier for others to find your practice if you want, or add some related projects. After you fill all the fields, you click Submit, and the school practice is uploaded. You will be able to see the practice from the View All Practices tab under School Platform. Another thing you can do is edit your practices. To edit an existing school practice, if there are any changes, you should navigate from Menu to Account, then to My Profile, and click on View School Practices button. There, you can select the school practice you want to edit and click on the Edit School Practice button. You can edit any field you want, and then you can click on Update for the changes to be saved.